You need to log in as admin in order to make changes to DICOM settings. If you have not registered an admin account, watch the tutorial on how to register a new admin IT user. If you have a PAX admin or IT person who takes care of your network communications, you should ask them to do this configuration on your device and on the related servers. After you log in as admin, tap DICOM server settings. You will be directed to DICOM settings summary page. Here you will see a summary of all default servers that you have already configured. To make changes to these settings or create new ones, tap Manage. From the drop-down menu of server type, select the type of server that you want to add, replace, or delete. To add a new configuration, enter the DICOM tags for application entity title or AET, IP address, port number, and enable or disable the default switch as needed. Tap Add to save the new configuration to your device. Please note that the AET is case-sensitive and it must be a unique name and the port number for your device should be larger than 1024. You must also register the DICOM tags of Katiba as a trusted client in any servers that you are adding them to your device. To replace or modify a configuration, from the drop-down menu of server type, select the type of server, and then from the drop-down menu of available servers, select the server. Make changes to the DICOM tag fields and then tap Replace. To delete a configuration, from the drop-down menu of server type, select the type of server, and then from the drop-down menu of available servers, select the server you want to remove and then tap Delete. Before testing the settings, review the settings to make sure you entered the tags correctly. To test the configuration for PAX and modality worklist, tap Test Settings. Katiba will only test the settings if a server is set as default. Depending on the speed of your network and how busy your servers are, it may take from a few seconds up to 2 minutes to see the results on the screen. The test results of DICOM settings will be demonstrated first. If the network settings are configured correctly, you should see normal for all tests. Tap OK to proceed to test HL7 settings. Please note that in order for the testing to take place, all HL7 related fields must be configured including a server set as default, and the switch for sending reports or worksheets to HL7 server is enabled. If the communication with the HL7 server is successful, you will see the test results including an acknowledgement from the HL7 server. If you have any questions or problems, tap Help to email us the logs and we will help you to fix the issue. That's it. Now you know how to configure DICOM settings in order to get patient demographics from modality worklist and export worksheets and reports to PAX and HL7 servers.